everyone, welcome back to Crest Magic. This is another magic tutorial on a really cool card trick that I just learned. It's kind of a short little trick, but it gets really good reactions, really good for the camera, and I hope you like it. I just finished recording the oil and water tutorial, which is a really cool oil and water effect. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it in the description below. But it's really amazing, go check that out. But let's get right into the performance of this cool little trick. All right, so I have with me this kind of rag cloth. It's actually a pillowcase. Don't worry about it though. And then we have these cards right here. I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna put it under the cloth, and we're gonna see something amazing will happen. So just leave it under the cloth for a little shake, and nothing happened. Okay, just wait. Do it again, just under the cloth, put a shake. And if we see nothing under the cloth, we can actually see that all of the cards have turned red. Every single one. Really cool trick. I hope you like it, and if you do, you want to learn it, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so the explanation for this trick is really easy. It's super simple. Definitely fooled me when I first saw it, and this is basically how it's done. So you're going to need a few blue cards and then a full deck of red cards, okay? So the little setup for this trick is you're going to take the full red deck, turn it over, and put these like so that you're in this position like that. And then you're gonna put these in a blue box. This really shows the audience that they're blue cards. It really makes them think. So you're gonna put it in there and close up the case before you even go perform, okay? So this is like done at your house, in your basement. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna show the deck, and then you're gonna have like a cloth or a case or a blanket, whatever, something that will cover your hands. And yeah, so then you're gonna show the deck, and they're already gonna see it's a blue deck, and that's really gonna sell to them that it's a blue deck. And then you open the case and you want to pull it out from the right side, because you pull it out from the wrong side, they're red. So you want to make sure which side you put it in. You pull out the blue cards, and you can kind of like show a little bit, or when you're opening the box, you can kind of like mess them up a bit, and then just to further ensure in the spectator's mind that this is a blue deck. Then what you're gonna do is, I like to do one, I'm gonna, like when I put it under the cloth, I don't do anything. And then when I lift it back up, you're like, oh, it didn't do anything, right? Just to make it a better reveal in the end. And then when you get your pillow, or when you get your pillowcase or your cloth, whatever, and you pull it over again, what you're doing right here is you're just flipping the cards. So you're gonna put your index finger right here and then extend it out and twist it. I found that's the best way. And your spectator would be facing in front and they won't see a thing. And then you're like, and then watch this, bam. You could have them examine the cloth or whatever, and then you can spread out pretty freely. You don't wanna get down here, because remember, these cards are face up and they're also blue. So you don't want to turn over the deck or anything. You just want to leave it like this, and you can show all the cards are red. And what I like to do sometimes is take a little bit more than half and just like spread it out onto the table, and then spread these cards too, just to really get it in their minds that it changed. It's a really powerful effect, and yeah, that's really it. It's a really easy effect, but it's really powerful, really cool, and super easy to perform. Hope you all enjoyed that tutorial. Just a short little tutorial today, but yeah, I'll see you all next time. for another Crest Magic video. Peace out.